How to duplicate a Wix website. So if you want to duplicate your Wix website, what we can do is, for example, I have in here this website of mine, which is called Black World Store. Now, in order to duplicate it, we need to click onto this drop down, go to this all sites, and then this will show me all of the sites that I have created on Wix so far. Now, into this part, what we can do is we can just wait for this to load and then locate the website that we want to duplicate. So here's our Black World Store. Just click onto these three dots for the site actions. And in here, you can see this option to duplicate site. Either we can click on that, and then you can just rename this particular store. So as you see, the default name is the name of your store and copy, but you can rename it however you want. So for example, let's name this Pink World Store. Click onto this duplicate, and then this will duplicate the site that we have chosen. And then from in there, it should be able to reflect into the site names that we have. Here it is right here. You can select this site and edit this site based on your liking. So that's how you duplicate a Wix website. Hope we helped.